Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Professor Dr. Andri Sumitra MA, and I am lecturer for current issues of Islamic finance in doctoral program, Faculty of Islamic Economics, Universitas Islam Negeri, Sumatera Utara. And this is our first meeting. Then I would like to introduce the module or the syllabus of our subject. First, we are going to learn about more uh, on Islamic finance. Yeah, we are going to learn about the introduction to the Islamic financial system. And this subject cover why we need to study Islamic finance, what Islamic finance is, and we are going to learn about Sharia as the bedrock of the Islamic financial system and learn about what exactly is Sharia. And then we are going to learn about the value proposition of the Islamic financial system, functions of the Islamic financial system, types of Islamic financial markets, and then about Islamic financial intermediaries and some types of Islamic financial intermediaries. And then for the last in this section, we are going to learn about the requisites of the Islamic financial system because Islamic financial systems need strong risk management practice, needs effective regulation of Islamic financial institutions, needs sound corporate and Sharia governance, supporting legal framework, robust accounting disclosure, and taxation regime. At the second meeting, we are going to learn about the overview of Islamic economics and financial system. Yeah, and I would like to ask you to know more about Islamic economics. Yeah, we are going to learn about the Islamic economics and Islamic worldview, objectives of Islamic and Islamic economic, why Islamic economics should be learned, and then we are going to learn about the three central of economic problems: economics of riba, economics of the financial system, the structure of Islamic financial system, Islamic financial markets, and the last at this subject, we are going to learn about the Islamic financial instruments. At our third meeting, we're going to learn more about money and monetary policies. We are going to learn about the concept of money, functions of money, types of money, monetary policy instruments, money supply process, monetary transmission mechanism, economic agents in monetary policy, economic agents in the money supply process, fairness in monetary policy, and the last, we are going to learn about the issues in the conduct of Islamic monetary policy. And then at the fourth meeting, we're going to learn more about the development of an Islamic financial system. Yeah. At this sub-subject, we are going to learn about the historical overview of Islamic finance, and then about the modern day Islamic finance. Yeah. The emerging interest in Islamic finance in other jurisdictions today. And then we are going to learn more about the international infrastructure institutions. Yeah, nowadays we have IOFI, IIFM, CIBFI, IFSB, IIRA, IILM as the international infrastructures institutions. Yeah. And then we are going to learn about models of Islamic finance. Yeah. Because usually we have two models for Islamic finance: market driven versus government initiatives. And it is more popular with full pledge versus dual banking system approach. And then for the last in this subject, we are going to learn about the infrastructure for development because Islamic financial system is a appropriate regulatory and supervisory framework, the existence of strong corporate governance, greater transparency and disclosure information, risk management framework, effective and dynamic Sharia framework, and also strong and comprehensive legal infrastructure. At the uh, fifth meeting, we are going to learn about the Sharia framework for the Islamic financial system. Of course, we are going to learn about the definition and the component of Sharia, sources and classification of Islamic law, maqasid Sharia vis Islamic finance, legal maxims pertinent to Islamic finance, yeah, what we call qawaid fiqhiyah, yeah, the implementation of qawaid fiqhiyah in Islamic finance. And then we are going also learn about the differences, or in Arabic we call ikhtilaf, of opinion among scholars on Islamic finance implementation, role of ijtihad and mujtahid in Islamic banking and finance, fundamental prohibited elements in Islamic finance, such as prohibition of riba, prohibition of gharar, prohibition of gambling or maisir. We are also going to learn about mutuality of risk sharing, governance and transparency, and also about the issues and challenges related with Sharia framework for the Islamic financial system. And at the sixth, we are going to have mid semester, and then we continue our study at the seventh meeting by learning about Islamic financial markets, banking and non-banking. Yeah, we know that in Islamic financial markets, we have Islamic banking. Of course, we are going to learn about Islamic banking operations and instruments. Yeah, about the role of Islamic bank as an efficient financial intermediary, source of funds. Yeah, we have saving deposit, current deposit, investment deposit, and underlying contracts for saving and current deposits in terms of Islamic finance. Uses of funds. Yeah, how Islamic retail financing works, corporate financing, and working capital financing. And then we are going learn about Islamic trade financing instruments and practices, because we have Islamic letter of credit, Islamic trust receipt, Islamic accepted bills, Islamic bank guarantee, Islamic shipping guarantee. And then next, after we learn about Islamic banking, we are also learn about Islamic money market. Yeah, we are going to learn about money market participants, money market instruments, functions of a money market, the need for Islamic money market, differences between Islamic and conventional money markets. Yeah, components of the Islamic money market, Islamic interbank market, trading of Islamic money market instruments. And then we are going also to learn about sukuk market, yeah, Sharia framework for Islamic securities, sukuk structures, and issues, opportunities, and challenges related to sukuk market. Next, we are going to learn also about Islamic equity market, yeah, the characteristic of Islamic equity, Sharia permissibility of modern day corporations, Sharia permissibility of secondary market trading, equity valuation, supply, demand, and price of equity, models of pricing and equity valuation, understanding and measuring risk, Islamic equity market instruments. We have shares or stocks, preference shares, stock index, future short selling, and etc. Unit trust or mutual funds, yeah, Sharia screening of shares, Islamic equity market index, speculation in equity markets, and we are going to learn about issues, opportunities, and challenges related to Islamic equity market. Next, we are going to learn about Islam insurance, yeah, insurance and risk management, concept of insurance, why conventional insurance is not accepted by Sharia, and then Islamic alternative to insurance, what we call takaful or Islamic insurance. And then we are going to learn about historical development of takaful, Sharia and regulatory framework for takaful, operational framework of takaful, classification of takaful operations, underlying contracts in takaful, models of takaful, takaful stakeholders, Sharia issues in takaful, and we are going to learn about issues, opportunities, and challenges related to Islamic insurance. Uh, yeah. After talking about Islamic financial institutions, later on we are going to talk about risk management principles and mechanisms for the Islamic financial system. First, at the meeting, we are going to learn focus on risk management, about principles and best practice of risk management. Yeah, we are going to learn about the concept of risk and uncertainty, and then Islamic perspective on risk management, types of risk exposures, risk faced by financial institutions, unique characteristics of risk in Islamic finance, nature of risk faced by Islamic financial institutions, risk in Islamic modes of financing, IFSB guidelines on risk management for Islamic financial institutions, on reporting process and managing specific risks. And the last, we are going to learn about issues, opportunities, and challenges, infrastructure and risk in Islamic finance. And then we are going also learn about risk management tools and mechanism. Yeah, we are going to learn about defining the derivatives, yeah, foreign exchange basics, forward, futures, option, and swap for the Islamic perspective, Islamic forex derivative instruments, pricing of Islamic derivatives and Islamic structure products. And also we are going to learn about issues, opportunities, and challenges on risk management tools in Islamic finance. And then at the ninth meeting, we are going to learn about regulations, supervision, and governance for the Islamic financial system. First, we are going to learn about regulations and supervision for the Islamic financial system. Here, we are going to learn about the overview of the regulations of Islamic financial institution, a rationale for the regulation for Islamic finance, the unique characteristic of regulation of Islamic finance, and then rationale for capital regulation, regulatory and supervisory authorities for Islamic finance. And of course, current issues, opportunities, and challenges related to regulation and supervision for the Islamic financial system. And for the last, at the ninth meeting, we are going to learn about Sharia governance in Islamic financial institutions. Yeah, we are going to learn about the conceptual framework of Sharia governance system, functions of a Sharia governance system, institutionalization of Sharia board, role of a Sharia board, international standard setting agencies, and Sharia governance process. And we are going to learn about the Sharia governance issues, about the independence of Sharia board, competency and conflict of interest, disclosure, transparency, consistency, legal status of the Sharia pronouncement. And from the 10th meeting until our 14th meeting, we are going to learn about the challenges and the issues, yeah, of the Islamic financial system. Yeah, we are going to learn about evaluation of the objective of Islamic financial institutions, current issues in product development for Islamic financial institutions, current issues in governance. Yeah, we have good corporate governance versus Islamic corporate governance. Yeah, and we are going to learn about Islamic financial product current issues, and the health performance, yeah, the sound performance of Islamic financial institutions, current issues on the marketing and development of market share in Islamic financial institution, and then current issues regarding consumer behavior in Islamic financial institution, and the determinants that influence customers' interest in using the services of Islamic financial institutions, current issues in human resources for Islamic financial institutions, yeah, current issues of accounting standards for Islamic financial institutions, and we know now the development of social reporting for Islamic financial institutions. And then we are going to learn about current issues in regulation and legal aspects of Islamic financial institution, yeah, performance, how to handling problematic financing in Islamic financial institutions, and distinguishing characteristic of Islamic financial institution compared to conventional financial institutions, current issues on the role of Islamic financial institutions in empowering micro and small economics, yeah, especially real sector business development. And the last, we are going to learn about current issues at the role of Islamic financial institutions in economic resilience. Yeah. I think this is the overview of our subjects. I hope you enjoy our class at this semester. Please fasten your seatbelt because we are going to expose not only in Indonesian perspective, but also in the Southeast Asia and in the global perspective. Thank you very much. I hope I can see you very soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.